This is Olympic Total Parts Pro. Today with 2018 Hyundai Tucson, stock number 7398. It's ran from the 6th 2015 and the 1st 2021. It's a D4HA 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a D4HA 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight has sun cracks along top edge. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 19-inch factory maggot tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door 1 dent. Left hand taillight. Right tailgate 3 dents. Right hand taillight. Right rear 19-inch factory maggot tyre. Right rear door 3 dents. Right front door 2 dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 19-inch factory maggot tyre. Right front door code, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen set-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,